Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right in today's content. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.1 trillion. Market is up 1.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 36.9%. This is an urgent update for you guys. Very exciting update, and I'm sure all the holders of this project are going to really get excited when you guys hear the news as to what really has happened. So let's waste no more time and get right into that. So as you guys can see, overall the markets over the last 24 hours are majority of them are still in green, but a little bit of consolidation is very much needed before we do see the continuation of pattern. But overall, nonetheless, we are still seeing a lot of green across the board, and that's something definitely I've been projecting for quite some time. I did say that month of November and December are going to be bullish, I believe, and so far that is happening. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than Solana. Huge news for the Solana communities, and if you are a Solana holder, you want to watch this video till the absolute end, because this is massive news. And I do believe this is going to impact the price in the next 24 to 48 hours, exactly what happened with Matic after that Facebook news. So keep tuning in. All right, if we are looking at the price of Solana, you guys can see it is currently trading at $36.13. It's up 8.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 7.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at that top 10 spot with a market cap of $13 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $3.1 billion. But now, what is causing this excitement? What is exciting? You may be asking, Crypto ZX, why are you excited? What is the urgent update? That's exactly what I'm going to get into. So let's waste no more time and get right into that. So Google Cloud came out just an hour ago and posted this massive news, and I do believe it's not priced in yet. I do believe now we are starting to see slowly but surely the move happen. But what could happen in the next 24 to 48 hours or even this coming week is going to be massive and going to make a major statement for Solana holders. And this is the tweet from Google Cloud. Now that we got your attention, check this out. Google Cloud is running a block producing Solana validator to participate in a validate the network. Also, it goes on. Did you think we only had one announcement? Think again. Google Cloud is working with Solana. Again, Google Cloud is working with Solana to bring blockchain node engine to the Solana chain next year. So it would be easy for anyone to launch a dedicated Solana node in the cloud. This is massive. But wait, there's more. Google Cloud is indexing Solana data and bringing it to BigQuery next year to make it easier for Solana developers ecosystem to access historical data. Also, lastly but not least, a reminder that Google Cloud will soon be accepting crypto payments via Commerce CB. So you'll have more potential of payments for Google Cloud services. This is mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing. And now if we go look at the price of Solana, it has reacted. Now you may be saying, Crypto ZX, what is this? We barely see any difference in the chart. Guys, settle down, this one step at a time. We will get into that. This is a daily time frame. The reason as to why I always bring the daily time frame is because we see the historic patterns of the price. What has happened with the price over the past year and a half, and we really understand where the price is currently sitting compared to previous highs. And the previous high was back on November 7th. And if we do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, and see how far we are still from all-time highs. We're still 86% away from all-time highs. And right now the chart, you may be saying, there's nothing going on, no excitement in the price. Let's not get too excited. Let's get right into this. So this right here is the daily time frame still, but I have zoomed it in to give you guys a better perspective. Now over the past few months, so we're just looking at what's happening since we broke below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We've been trading sideways for quite some time, and also you may be aware, if you're not, I'll tell you guys, there's recently a lot of FUD that was going on for Solana. People were mentioning that Solana is going back to $19 or even more. But I do believe that this news is going to have a positive impact, and obviously the overall market bullishness that we are seeing right now in the immediate short term is going to have an impact on Solana as well. You guys can see, if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys again, if you picked up some Solana on October 20th, you are already up 33%. And we did see a wick of all the way up to that $38.66 mark due to this news. But what I'm projecting now that is going to happen is that one thing to keep in mind is that since this, dropped below the 78.6, we only managed to break above the 78.6 one time, and that was just a quick wick, never managed to close above it. And since then, we've been trading below this level. And now could be the time. Could this be the time? Could this news, the Google Cloud news, because right now not many people even are aware of this, because this news came out about 2.5 hours ago. And could this news really impact the price of Solana and to really start taking it back into the 78.6, some levels that we have not seen for quite some time? And we're starting to see this happen with a lot of projects, not just Solana, guys. A lot of projects are popping out, and it's just a coincidence. We heard Matic news right after that. We heard such a major news for Solana, and this, I believe, is going to have a positive impact on the price, and we could be targeting the 78.6 once again. And if we break out of the 78.6 once again, guys, I do believe then that Solana is gonna rip through the 78.6 and start heading back towards this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And I've been mentioning this to you guys for quite some time. Good projects, always strong projects, with real use cases, are always going to go through a major FUD. When they're new. Solana is fairly new. It's not a project that's been in the markets for quite some time. It's fairly new, 2 to 3 years old, and it's going to face FUD. It's going to face a lot of uncertainty, but it's how the project itself overcomes these hurdles that it's facing. And Solana is still making major strides, and this Google Cloud news is just one example that these companies are taking blockchain to the masses. These projects are taking blockchain to the masses, trying to have users outside the crypto space. Big companies, like, let's talk about big companies. Look at Google's revenue, and Google Cloud is obviously attached to Google, and imagine how massive this news is going to be. And maybe some other big competitors look at, oh, Solana is doing this with Google, why not we test it out? Maybe we test this, and XYZ, this happens more and more. So this is a massive news for Solana. Congrats to each and every Solana holder, and I do believe that the price action is about to get exciting very soon. And my targets right now are the 78.6. We might see a little bit of a rejection here because we do have some level of resistance around here, but overall I do believe that we are going to pop out of here and start heading back to some highs that we have not seen for quite some time. Very exciting news. BTC, on the other hand, is still holding at the $21,263 mark. We still need to be above 22,000 and actually close above this level of resistance for me to really be excited. And you guys already know that. And Solana is staking rewards, guys. And also, one thing I want to mention, 77% of the circulation supply is currently being staked right now. So not much is on exchanges right now to be purchased. And now you may be asking, oh my God, Solana has so much fun. Who's staking it? People are staking. The people that actually believe in this project, that know that this project is going to revolutionize one of the crypto space, one of the projects, not all of them. It is one of the projects that is going to revolutionize the crypto space. And I've been saying this, Ethereum and Cardano, to me personally, are the closest ever as Ethereum competitors and Ethereum killers. And I do believe these potentially could take over if they continue overdoing ETH in these coming years. And the 77% circulation supply, when the boom comes, when the volume comes, the hype kicks in, these projects with high staked value are the ones that move way quicker. But let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to cover Solana on a daily basis, and what are your thoughts on this news. And let me know, what are you guys doing and where you can see the price of Solana go. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.